Everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So I got this in the mail today. So I just saw a video on this, what was it, 2 days ago? No, Sunday. Monday? Oh, anyways, I saw cherylscraftyworld.com. If you don't know her, go over there and check her out. So she had posted a video and said that she was mailing these out and that we would receive them by, I think, Saturday. Anyways, oh my gosh, I got it here. It's here. Oh my goodness. Anyways, so Cheryl had a birthday giveaway and all she was requesting was a little pocket, a heart pocket with some goodies inside, and that was it. So she was gonna have 14 winners, you guys, and 14 people actually entered, and of course I won. Yay! So this is what she sent me, and look at the cute hearts. So she loves hearts, and oh my goodness. So let me go ahead, and there's a lot of tape in here, so let me go ahead and cut tape and pull it out, or just cut it and then I'll come back. Hold on. Okay, so here we go. Let me go ahead and pull it out. And I know her and Mr. Bob, they worked so hard in putting all this together and packaging them up and sending them out. So there you go. Here, let's go ahead and see. So Mr. Bob, thank you so much for helping out and making this possible, because if it wasn't for him, yeah, we wouldn't be able to have this. So anyways, oh my goodness, so here is her card, and she put a whole bunch of hearts everywhere, even in the box right here, you guys. Look at, oh, how cute. Look at, you guys, hearts everywhere. Oh my goodness. So let me go ahead and cut this out. Oh, I like the lining in the envelope. Now I'm upset because I tore it. Oh, just saying congratulations. And oh, let me see, so excited. Oh, maybe I should go with the baggie. Sorry, you guys, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, maker of pretty things. This is so cute. And then she put one of these little tassels on here. How cute. Oh, okay. So I did see a video. She did post a video, you know, commenting on what some of the items that she was going to be posting on there. And she put some of these. I've never had these pens. And OMG. Ah, I dropped one. Oops, sorry. So perfect, because I'm actually working with something using yellow, and I can actually use these too. And yay, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Oh, this bag is so pretty. So there's one. And let's go ahead and see. Ooh, the crinkle. Oh. So she went ahead and gifted me some of these roses. And then, let me see, this is some double-sided tape. Oh yes, thank you. And then some glue dots. Yes, I was actually looking at that today or yesterday at Dollar Tree, and I was like, I'll pass. So awesome, thank you. And then I think a pen. Oh my goodness, I am starting to collect these. Oh, she put Kathy. Oh, thank you. I'm starting to collect these pens. Oh my gosh, this is a heavy pen. It's not a light pen. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Sorry for the crinkle, you guys. Oh my goodness, thank you. Oh, how cute. So imagine, she had 14 entries. Imagine how hard she had to work for all these, you guys. Oh my goodness. And then she pom-poms, and Easter is coming up, so these will be so useful. And let me see, is this, oh okay, oh I love this. This is so beautiful. I love this trim. This is so beautiful, and it will be used, trust me. Everything in here will be used so much. Oh, and she gifted me some ink and some little like twine sequins trim. And then let's some of this glitter. Oh, cute. I like the containers. Okay, and some hearts, some wooden hearts. Yay, because I don't have any wooden hearts. And then, ooh, she gifted me these. Oh my goodness. So these are so cute, but you know what? Something else came in mind to use these for and not as arrows. So, And then this right here. Awesome. Thank you. And then bling plus. Let me see. And bunch of hearts everywhere, you guys. So I'm trying to be a little quiet. So, oh yes. Oh, look at this. And then some little baggie. Oh no, are these baggies? No, this is, it's like a bag, but I think it's like a laminator. I think. Let me know, Miss Cheryl, because I am not too sure. I want to say this is kind of like a baggie, but it looks kind of like a laminator. Never seen this before, so do let me know what this is. I'm a little confused. Or can it be like adhesive? No, I don't know. Okay, and then this, some felt. Awesome. This is a cute little package, you guys. It's a gift of a lot of little things and so many useful things that you can use. And then I'm going to cut this on the bottom. If I could get my fingers working over here. Let me see right here. Hopefully I don't cut anything important. Oh, some tags. Yes. These are like really thick chipboard tags. Oh my goodness. Thank you. These are always so useful. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be hoarding one as a template and using the other ones. Oh my goodness. Or actually I could send one as a template to somebody else. Oh, good idea. And then these. Oh my goodness. This coffee. This is a notepad. Oh no, these are like tags. These are cute. Coffee tags, yes, and some, oh my gosh, I wanted to say bling. Oh my goodness. Ribbon. Oh my goodness. Awesome. And then she sent me a mask. A reusable mask. Awesome. And this one you can wear it so many ways. It's a gator mask. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Miss Cheryl. Oh my goodness. So you guys, if you guys have not gone over to her channel, she is amazing. She's awesome. And wow, I am so happy, so thankful. And thank you, Mr. Bob, as well, for making all this possible, because if it wasn't for him, yes, we wouldn't have gotten any of our winnings. And Miss Cheryl, thank you so much. You are amazing. Love watching your channel. And don't forget to go over and visit Cheryl'sCraftyWorld.com. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.